Let's create this type of thumbnail, eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail. So the step one is to go to Chrome. So I went to Chrome and I searched for this particular text, 3D cartoon animation images. I searched for it on Google. So I will scroll, you see all the things I saw. Look at what I saw. So you can select any 3D cartoon image you like to use. So for me to get that particular one I use, I clicked on this one, then I scroll down, okay, so this is what I used. I'll click on this, then I'll download, right click, then click on save image as. So I'll download. So now step 2 now. Step 2 is to go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. So let me go to ChatGPT. You can see then I clicked on this plus icon here. You can see add photos. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on the image. Look at the image here. I click here. So when you click on this image, then we give it this prompt. Look at this, my prompt. Regenerate this in Disney 3D animation. Make it eye-catchy. So you click on send here, right? So that's what I did. So let me see the results. So this is the result it gave to me. Image created. Look at what I put this image and I put this prompt. Regenerate this in Disney 3D animation. Make it eye-catchy. Alright, so it gave me this image. I believe you love it. Let me zoom out a little. Okay. So it gave me this particular image created. I believe you love it. And it's beautiful. So I told it again to give me a YouTube thumbnail for this image with write-up. So this is what it gave to me. Eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail. So if you want to download this image, just click on this. Then click on this place, save. Then you should see it in your download. So let me click on my download. You can see it here, right? So this is the image here. So if you want to use any image, you can just go to Google and search for any image you want. Look at now, I search for 3D cartoon images. You can select any one you like. There are a lot of ones to pick from. So I can click on this. Then you see other ones also. So just select the one you like. Alright, so if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also leave a comment in any area you don't understand. And also share it to your family, your friends, and your loved ones. I wish you best of luck. And I want you to grow and also to create a very eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.